Hello everyone, welcome back to Echo Talk Studio.
Today we're going to explore something really exciting, emotions.
Emotions are part of our daily life.
And expressing them clearly in English makes a huge difference.
We'll teach you step by step how to describe every feeling naturally.
From happiness to sadness, excitement to fear, we've got it all.
You'll learn simple, medium, and advanced expressions.
And we'll show you short dialogues that sound real.
Let's start with one of the most common emotions, happiness.
Simple ways to say happy include I'm happy or I feel good.
You can also say, I'm in a good mood today.
And I feel great makes it sound more natural.
Stronger phrases are, I'm over the moon and I'm on cloud 9.
I'm thrilled or I'm ecstatic shows really deep happiness.
For example, I'm over the moon because I passed my exam.
Or I'm thrilled that my friend came to visit.
Short dialogue example, Majnoo, why are you smiling?
I feel great today. Everything is going perfectly.
Happiness can also be expressed with excitement words.
Like, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Or, I can't wait for the concert tomorrow.
These phrases make your English lively and fun.
Next, let's talk about confidence.
Confidence shows belief in yourself.
Simple phrases, I feel confident.
I believe in myself.
I'm ready for this challenge.
Sounds natural too. Medium level, I trust my abilities.
I feel strong today.
Advanced, I'm unstoppable. Or I'm at the top of my game.
Confidence is important in speaking, presenting, and social situations.
Short dialogue. Are you nervous about your presentation?
Not at all. I feel confident and ready.
That's the spirit.
Now, let's move to love and affection.
Simple phrases, I like you, and I care about you.
Medium level, I enjoy spending time with you.
You mean a lot to me. Sounds natural.
Advanced, I adore you, or I cherish our moments together.
You are my inspiration is very expressive.
Dialogue example, do you enjoy these lessons?
Absolutely. I enjoy every moment here with you.
Positive emotions also include relaxation.
Simple, I feel relaxed, or I'm calm.
Medium, I feel at peace, or my mind is clear.
Advanced, I'm completely at ease, or I'm mentally refreshed.
All my stress has melted away is very expressive.
Short dialogue, you seem peaceful today, Majnoo.
Yes, I'm relaxed after my morning walk.
It really helps to start the day calm.
Let's add gratitude and joy to our list.
Simple phrases, I feel joyful, and I'm thankful.
Medium, I feel so blessed today.
I'm grateful for this opportunity.
Advanced, my heart is full of joy.
I appreciate everything in my life.
Dialogue, are you happy with your progress, Majnoo?
Yes, I feel joyful and grateful for our learning.
Positive emotions make conversations warm and engaging.
They also improve motivation and energy.
Now let's switch to negative emotions.
First, sadness.
Simple phrases, I feel sad, and I'm upset.
I feel down today, or I'm feeling low.
Medium, I'm disappointed, or I feel blue.
Advanced, I'm heartbroken, or I'm emotionally drained.
Dialogue, you look sad today, Majnoo.
I feel low because my plans didn't work out.
That's really disappointing.
Yes, it feels heartbreaking.
Next, anger.
Simple, I'm angry, or I'm mad.
I'm annoyed is also common.
Medium, I'm irritated, or I'm frustrated.
Advanced, I'm furious, or I'm losing my temper.
I'm boiling with anger is very expressive. Dialogue, why do you look upset, Majnoo?
I'm frustrated because my computer crashed.
That's really annoying.
Yes, it's boiling me with anger. Fear is next.
Simple phrases, I'm scared, or I'm afraid.
I feel nervous is common.
Medium, I'm anxious or I feel uneasy.
Advanced. I'm terrified or my heart is racing.
I'm panicking inside is also expressive. Dialogue, why are you worried, Majnoo?
I'm scared about the meeting tomorrow.
Don't worry, you're prepared.
I hope so, but I'm terrified anyway. Embarrassment is another common feeling.
Medium, I'm embarrassed or I feel shy.
That was awkward is very common.
Medium, I didn't know what to say.
That was uncomfortable is natural.
Advanced, I wanted to disappear or my face turned red instantly.
Dialogue. You look shy today, Majnoo.
Yes, I said something wrong earlier.
That must have been awkward.
Very embarrassing indeed.
Confusion comes next.
Medium, I'm confused or I don't get it.
Medium, I'm unsure about this, or this is unclear to me.
Advanced, I'm completely puzzled or I feel lost in this situation.
Dialogue. Do you understand this, Majnoo?
Honestly, I'm confused.
It can be tricky.
Yes, I feel completely puzzled.
Frustration is another negative emotion.
Medium, I'm frustrated by this situation.
I'm upset because nothing works.
Advanced, I'm fed up with this problem.
It's driving me crazy. Dialogue. Are you okay, Majnoo?
No, I'm frustrated with my internet.
That's understandable.
Yes, it's driving me crazy.
Now let's cover more negative emotions that everyone feels.
Sure. Let's start with disappointment.
Simple. I feel disappointed.
I didn't get what I expected.
Medium. I'm let down by this outcome.
I feel disheartened.
Advanced. I'm completely disillusioned.
It really broke my expectations.
Dialogue example. Why so quiet, Majnoo?
I'm disappointed that my plan didn't work.
I understand. It must be frustrating.
Yes, I feel really let down.
Another emotion is guilt.
Simple. I feel guilty.
I shouldn't have done that.
Medium. I regret my actions.
I feel responsible for this mistake.
Advanced. I'm consumed by guilt.
I feel remorseful for what happened.
Dialogue. Why do you look sad, Majnoo?
I feel guilty about what I said to my friend.
It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Yes, but I wish I hadn't done that. Let's talk about jealousy.
Simple. I feel jealous.
I wish I had what they have.
Medium. I envy their success.
I feel left out sometimes.
Advanced. I'm consumed by envy.
It's hard to see others succeed while I struggle.
Dialogue. Why are you quiet, Majnoo?
I feel a little jealous of my friend's promotion.
Don't worry. Your time will come.
I hope so. I need to stay motivated. Now let's cover stress and worry.
Simple. I'm stressed.
I feel worried about my work.
Medium. I'm under pressure.
I'm anxious about the future.
Advanced. I'm overwhelmed with stress.
I feel tense and uneasy all the time.
Dialogue. You seem tense, Majnoo.
Yes, I'm stressed because of deadlines.
Take a deep breath. It'll help.
I'll try. Thanks. Now let's talk about loneliness.
Simple. I feel lonely.
I feel isolated.
Medium. I miss my friends and family.
I feel disconnected from everyone.
Advanced. I'm consumed by solitude.
It's hard to feel this way sometimes.
Dialogue. You seem quiet, Majnoo.
I feel lonely today.
I'm here for you. Don't worry.
Thank you, it helps a lot. Confusion can also be frustrating.
Simple. I'm confused.
I don't understand this.
Medium. I'm unsure about what to do.
This situation is unclear to me.
Advanced. I'm feeling completely lost.
Dialogue. Why do you look puzzled?
I'm confused about the instructions.
Let's go through them together.
Yes, that will help me understand.
Now let's talk about frustration.
Simple. I'm frustrated.
I'm annoyed.
Medium. This situation is irritating.
I can't seem to fix this problem.
Advanced. I'm completely exasperated.
Dialogue. Why are you upset?
I'm frustrated because nothing is working.
Take a break. It might help.
Yes, I need some fresh air.
Now let's combine positive and negative emotions in real-life dialogues. Example. I feel happy about my progress, but stressed about the upcoming test.
Or, I'm excited to meet my friends, but a little nervous at the same time.
These mixed emotions are very common in daily life. And describing them correctly makes your English realistic.
Try saying, I feel grateful yet anxious.
Or, I'm proud but worried about the results.
It shows maturity and understanding of emotions.
Short practice dialogue. Majnoo, how do you feel today?
I feel happy because I learned new things, but tired from work.
That's a perfect way to describe mixed emotions.
Yes, I feel proud and exhausted at the same time.
See how natural it sounds?
Exactly. This is how native speakers express emotions.
Another example. I'm excited to travel, but nervous about flying.
Or, I feel relaxed at home, yet bored because nothing is happening.
These combinations make conversations real and expressive.
And it shows your command over English vocabulary.
Now let's practice using advanced phrases.
Instead of saying, I'm sad, you can say, I feel emotionally drained.
Instead of I'm happy, say I'm over the moon today.
Instead of I'm nervous, try, I'm on edge about this situation.
Instead of I'm frustrated, you can say I'm completely exasperated with this problem.
These small changes make your English sound fluent and natural.
Let's review some quick expressions for each emotion.
Happiness, thrilled, ecstatic, over the moon.
Sadness, heartbroken, devastated, emotionally drained.
Anger, furious, boiling with anger, losing my temper.
Fear, terrified, panicking inside, my heart is racing.
Confusion, completely puzzled, lost, unsure.
Embarrassment, my face turned red, wanted to disappear, felt exposed.
Gratitude, my heart is full of joy, overwhelmed with gratitude, appreciate everything.
Always remember, short, clear phrases are the most effective.
And combining them naturally in dialogues makes your English conversational.
Try to practice daily with friends or even alone.
Speak out loud and feel each emotion as you say it.
Short dialogue practice for viewers.
I feel excited, but a little nervous about the meeting.
I'm proud of my progress, but a bit tired too.
I'm happy to learn English with you, yet anxious about speaking perfectly.
See? Perfect balance between positive and negative expressions. Now it's time for a very strong ending.
Remember, emotions are not just words, they are feelings.
The more accurately you describe them, the better people understand you.
And your English becomes natural, fluent, and expressive.
Practice these expressions daily and notice the difference.
Use simple phrases first, then move to medium and advanced expressions.
Combine positive and negative emotions in real-life dialogues. It will make your conversations richer and more realistic. Thank you so much for watching till the end.
If you learned something new today, hit the like button.
Don't forget to subscribe to Echo Talk Studio for more English conversation tips.
Share this video with friends who want to improve their English.
Comment your favorite emotion expression below. We'd love to read them.
And remember, practice makes perfect. Speak, feel, and express.
See you in the next video where we'll explore more fun and useful English topics.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.